Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Something interesting happened last night in the HOH lounge. For all of those who thought Kiddwaya has no feeling for Erica, here's something for you. Kiddwaya assures Erica, he said, "You are always going to be in my life." Billionaire son Kiddwaya has explained to Erica his loyalty lies with her and promised to have her in his life always. The new head of house and heartbeat of Kiddwaya, Erica had a heart-to-heart conversation in their new chamber, asking him where his loyalty lies between her and the rest of the house. According to him, his loyalty lies with her and she can count on him on any day regardless of how things turn out in the house or after the show. He stated emphatically that what he feels for her is realistic. He is not close to her just for the game. He likes her and will always be in his life, even after the show. This is what he said. "Makes you think I don't have your back. I'm not playing a game here. I can't imagine myself not caring about you. Whether we have a relationship or not, you are always gonna be in my life." So guys, what do you have to say about this comment or promise by Kiddwaya to Erica? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please, if it's your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification icon to get new updates when my video drop. Thank you.